Design's role in creating great experiences is pivotal, and to me that all starts with design research to understand what's working, what's not working, what are the problems, what are the pain points that we can then turn into opportunities to do better, to improve that experience.
We look at brand as a customer experience, not just a logo, not just a phrase, but literally everything that a consumer touches. So the idea that the product is the total customer experience is something that we want to build off of, so that every time you have a touch point or an interaction with our brand, it's constantly reinforcing similar ideas.
And when I use the term design thinking, it's essentially putting the customer at the center of what you're creating and just spending time understanding the customer's pain points, their beliefs, their needs, their behaviors. And once you have a good read on the customer, it's all about coming up with concepts that are going to make that customer's life better.
We see our end as enabling people to do all sorts of things, whether it's better understanding, to be motivated by something, or to gain greater information about something. It is the end result of our work, is to focus on the experience of the person we're designing for. So the entire orientation of the company is around what is the experience that we're delivering.